even has a custom holder. Look at that. Okay. Get this mask off. So we got the Endura top coat on the welding flange. And 3 coats of the high build. And that's ready to go. I've gone over the second time I went over it, and there's hardly any craters or pot marks left. Right here, I had to build this ridge up here. That could be tuned up a little bit down there, but a lot of it will be sanded away because now I got lots of mills there to sand. And the other side, well, it's the top coat of Endura with some overspray, but nobody sees that. That's ready to go. I don't want to take it any higher right now because it's going to be some welding going on, and I'm going to have to come back and touch it up on the flange all the way around. First coat of high build. We had some damage here right on the seam on the crown back here, and just blended it in. That's one coat. Got a little bit of distortion right here where I did the welding along here. That's pretty good. And a couple of little spots right there. I'm not going to do anything on the sides yet until I got it welded back together, because you know, there's going to be some movement and heat. So I'll leave that. And the frame's ready to go. I'm just carrying up the Endura. It's been just about a week now. I think I'll give it another half a week and then I can weld this back together. In the meantime, I'm going to go on to the valance here and do the body work on this. 2 hands. Run. Pretty good. I beat it on that. That'd be a skim of Bondo for sure. That's about the worst of it right there. Okay, let's get on that. Now we got an 18-hour window. We get another coat on here, otherwise we got to sand again, and I don't want to do that. What are we looking at? About 16 hours now. Top coat going on. This is the inside of the wheel well, so you won't see it. It's the extension to the fender. This is the inside of the engine bay. You see that part? This is the backside. So, you know, things like runs, doesn't matter, you don't see it. Gotta go in there next. The contacts are sticking. Probably gonna have to file it or something. Open her back up. Let's weld her in. Okay, I got my piece all prepped up now. Remove the coating so that I got a good weld. And the areas that are inside the welding flange, I'll give them a hit with, and at least there's something on there. And of course, well, the top, and I've prepped the underside here. I'll be able to get under there with a paintbrush and go over it with the primer, the Endura primer and the top coat once I'm all done. And there'll be something on the inside so it's not naked metal. Okay, let's do the other side.